Is your Lexus infotainment system stuck in a restart loop? This often stems from software glitches, corrupted data, or hardware issues. A quick fix is a battery pull. Disconnect the negative terminal for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the system. Another option is a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 30 seconds. These clear temporary errors, but don't address the root cause. If these don't work, the problem likely lies deeper and requires an update or professional attention. The most reliable fix for reboot loops is a software update. Lexus releases these over the air or via USB. Ensure your system is running the latest firmware to patch bugs and optimize performance. If updates don't solve the issue, a faulty capacitor in the infotainment module or other hardware problems may be to blame. For persistent issues, consult a Lexus dealer for advanced diagnostics and repairs, as further neglect could indicate a deeper problem with module failure.